Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm April, and today I'm going to show you how I painted this butterfly painting. Reference photo by me. I will be using craft paint. This one is Folk Art Ultramarine Blue Matte Acrylic, Apple Barrel Parakeet, like the bird, Anita's All-Purpose Kelly Green, Simply by Dalarani Violet, as well as black and white. Here's my palette. A simple plastic palette, which you can use by putting your thumb in. This is the way I like to do it. Some people like to put their fingers in it. I like to put my thumb in it. Do what you like. Do what pleasures you. I will be using a flat angled brush to get started. I splooged some of the paint on my palette, and now I'm ready to get started. Let's just do a little dab-a-doo and put it on the canvas, starting with the background. I will time-lapse this and I will comment as necessary. Here I am blending the colors as they are wet, because it's better to be wet than dry when you have to mix colors and blend them, make them look blended. Here I am coloring in the background around where the leaf is going to be, because I want the leaf color to stand out. Here is some pinkish paint mixed with some water to make it a wash to lighten up the background. Now I'm outlining the leaf. Later you will see me outline the butterflies. Here I am painting in the green with some yellow for the leaf stem, then darkening up the background to make a contrast so the leaf will stand out more. Now outlining the beautiful butterfly. Are these called zebra butterflies? Oh, I just remembered. They're called paper kites. Why are they called paper kites? I don't know. Why not zebra? I didn't name them. So on this butterfly, I paint in the white first. You will see on the next butterfly, I paint in the black first, which I was just experimenting with different techniques. You could do it either way. I feel like doing the black first was a little easier. Be very careful when painting in the legs with a flat angled brush. Here I already blacked in the second butterfly and painting on the white stripes. Just dab-a-doing the little spots. I love this bus, they're so cute. Now that the painting is dry, I paint in the colors of the leaf. I add red to the mixture of green to create a contrast. And also, I use Liquitex medium that slows the drying of acrylic paint and makes it act like oil paint, which helps the blending process. Now I'm painting in the highlights with white with a small tint of yellow, saving the pure white for the final highlights. Painting in the shadows of the butterfly as well as the leaves' veins makes it look more 3D. Don't be afraid to use your finger to either correct some mistakes or use it for blending. It washes right off with soap and water. I actually like it when I have some paint on my hands and go out in public and whatever, and like, oh, she must be a painter. Yes, I am. Thank you for noticing. The leaf has a sheen to it, so I'm putting a thin coat of white and also a thin coat of white and pink because the butterflies have a slight, sheen to their beautiful wings. And this also will make it look more 3D and realistic. I use a large dry brush to blend out the wash to make it more transparent. And just as a reminder, leaves and pretty much any object are not just one solid color, especially in certain light. You will see they have different colors. So I paint the shapes of the colors as I see the colors, because colors are colors. You know what I'm saying? Time to deepen up the background to create more contrast and bring out the main subject. If you haven't guessed already, which I'm sure you have because you're smart, S-M-A-R-T. Only old people will get that joke. Anyway, so yeah, to make your paint look transparent, mix it with water. Duh. Now sign your beautiful painting after it is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you were entertained. And if you have any questions or comments in general, just comment below. I love reading your comments. And also check out the links below to help support me and my channel so I can make more videos like this for you. You are amazing. I hope you have a lovely day. Be good to yourself and each other. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya!